Next, 8th question. Okay. I read the question. Ramesh had 20 pencils. Okay. What? Ramesh had 20 pencils. Okay. Sheelu had 50 pencils. Okay. Sheelu 50 pencils. And then Jamal had 80 pencils. So, Jamal had 80 pencils. Okay, Ramesh had 20 pencils. Sheelu, total number of pencils with her 50 and Jamal 80 pencils. Okay, after 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Okay, so out of this, Ramesh used 10 pencils. So, how will you write this in a fraction form? Yes, that is out of 20, he used 10. Okay, fraction form. Clear? Then next one. Sheila used up 25 pencils. So out of 50, Sheila used 25 pencils. How will you write it as in a fraction form? Yes, that is out of 50, she used 25 pencils. Clear? Then what about Jamal? And Jamal used up 40 pencils. Okay, so out of 80, Jamal used 40 pencils. Okay, these are the fractions forms with the corresponding informations. Clear? So, what's our question? What fraction did each use up? Yes, this one. Yes, 10 by out of 20, Ramesh used 10 pencils. Out of 50, Sheelu used 25 pencils. Out of 80, Jamal used 40 pencils. Okay, so first question is over. Second one, check if each has used up an equal fraction of his or her pencils. Okay, so first look, that means it is not equal. Okay, so whether these three fractions are equal. Okay, that is 10 by 20, 25 by 50, 40 by 80. So, what is the simplest form of these three fractions? Okay, so what will we do? Simplest fraction. So, we will find the HC, yeah, 10 and 20. Which number is common? 10. So 1, 2. Any number common in between 1 and 2? No. So what will be right? 1 by 2. Again 25 by 50. Again we do the HCF 25, 50. Which number is common in units place? 5 and 0. So which number is divisible? 5. So 5 5s are 25, 10 5s are 50. Again which number is common? 5. So 5, 1 times, 2 times. Any number is common in between 1 and 2? No. So what will we do? 1 by 2. Clear? What about Jamal? Here Ramesh, here Sheelu, here Jamal. Okay. So next 40, 80. Which number is common? 0. In units place 0. So which number is common? 10. 4, 8. Again which number is common? 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again which number? 2. 1, 2. So 1 by 2. Okay, that is all are equal in same fraction, same used up. Okay, so what will we get? That is each has used up what? Same number of, that is equal fraction 1 by 2 of his or her pencils. Okay, so is it equal? Whether these three fractions are equal means what will we do? We will find the simplest form. Okay, so first look at this is not equal. Okay, so we will find the simplest form. So is it equal? Yes. Okay, next one. Ninth question is match the equivalent fraction. So not this type of question. We will do the equivalent fractions of 250 by 400. That is our question. Okay, in question paper, this is the questions. Okay, that is not match the following questions. We will find the equivalent fractions of the given fractions. Clear? Okay. So, ninth one. fractions. Yes, 250 by 400. Okay, equivalent fractions means here equivalent fractions means what? We will find the equivalent. Otherwise, you can do into 2 into 2. No problem. You will get the corresponding equivalent fractions. Okay. Or otherwise, we will use here find the simplest form. Okay. Ninth question. Simplest form. Finding the simplest form. Okay. Not equivalent fractions. We will find the simplest form of first question. 250 by 400. What is the simplest form of 250 by 400? Yes. Whether the question is, sometimes they will ask, find the equivalent fractions of 250 by 400. You can divide it by 10 or 5 or you can multiply any number, no problem. Okay. So find the simplest form here. So simplest form, so what will we do here? Yes, HCF. Okay. HCF of 250, 400. Okay, so 250, 400. Which number is common? That is 10. Yes, 25, 40. Again, which number common? 5. 5 5s are 25, 8 5s are 40. Any number common in between 5 and 8? No. So, what is the simplest form of 250 by 400? 5 by 8. Okay. In ninth question, you just replace what? Equivalent fraction. So, match the following. If the question is match the following means the right part. That is A, B, C, D, they will given the smallest fraction. So, what will we do there? It is division. Okay. So, that's why I just change the question as simplest form. Okay. No problem. Next one, 180 by. So, in your textbook, 5 by 8 is there. Yes? So, 5 by 8. Okay. No problem. B question, 180 by 200. What is the simplest form of 180 by 200? Yes, finding HCF. 10, 18, 20. Again, which number is common? 2, 9, 10. Any number is common in between 9 and 10? No. So, what is it? 9 by 10. Okay. So, 9 by 10 is there in match the following. Look at this. Okay. In your textbook. Next one. So, these are the ninth question. Next one. We will discuss. One more question I will discuss. Okay. One more question. What? 660, 660, 990. Okay, we want to find the simplest form. So, what will we do simplest form? Yes. So, HCF. 660, 990. Okay, which number is common? 10. Because in units place 0. Okay. So, 66, 99. Again, which number is common? 3. 22, 33. Yes. Again, which number is common? 11. Okay. Not 11, 2, 3. So, what is it? 2 by 3 is the simplest form of 660 divided by 990. Okay. In your examination, not match the following question. Okay. Finding the simplest form of this or find the equivalent fractions of this like that. That's why I do the simplest form. Okay. Yes. The next heading is like fractions, unlike fractions, comparing fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions. These are the topics. Okay. First one, like fractions. Okay. What? Like fractions. Okay. The next one is unlike. Okay. Like fractions and unlike fractions. What is like fractions? If the denominators are same of the fractions, we can say that the fractions are unlike fractions. Okay. So, one fraction is given and asked whether these are unlike or like fractions. No. Okay. Two fractions, we understand the like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay. So, first, for example, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 7 by 2, 11 by 2, these are the like fractions because what? Denominators are same. So we can say that that type of fraction is known as like fractions. Okay, that is like fractions. Unlike fractions means what? Just opposite of like fractions. The denominators are not same. We can say that the two fractions are unlike fractions. Clear? For example, what? 7 by 9. 3 by 2. So ask, these two are like fractions? No, because what? Denominators are different. Okay, so but fractions having same denominator, not numerator, denominator, we can say that the fractions are like fractions. If the denominators are different, we can say that the given fraction is unlike fractions. Okay, so comparing fractions means first we understand what is like fractions, what is unlike fraction. That's why I took these portions. Okay, so next one is comparing fractions. Next one is addition and subtraction. So comparing fractions means the same quantity can be compared. Yes. Okay, addition and subtraction is also like that. First we converted to like fractions. After that we will do the operations. Okay, so I think it is clear to you. One more I will explain what is like fractions. Denominators having same. Denominators are different. We can say that what it is unlike fractions. Okay, yes.